Hello everyone and welcome back to Test Cafe tutorials. So today we'll see basic setup for writing test in TypeScript. So as we all know that we can write test in Test Cafe using JavaScript, TypeScript and CoffeeScript. So if you want to write it in TypeScript, then you have to do some basic setup. So let's see. First we'll see the basic introduction for JavaScript and TypeScript and also a difference. So JavaScript is basically a high-level interpreted programming language, and TypeScript is a powerful type of object-oriented compile language. So TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. As TypeScript is an object-oriented language, it makes the code more reusable, simple, clean, and consistent. So it is recommended for building complex and huge projects, whereas JavaScript is perfect for comparatively smaller coding projects. Now we'll see the installation. First we'll see the local installation. So local installation in project adds development dependencies. Use --save -dev key. So we'll do the local installation using this command. It will basically write the TypeScript into your package.json. We'll also do the global installation using the command npm install -g TypeScript. Open new terminal and let's type the command for the local installation. Hit enter. As you can see, our local installation is completed, and if you open the package.json now, you will see the TypeScript version here as dependencies. Now we'll do the global installation, and the command is our global installation is completed, and if you want to verify it, then do command tsa-v. You can see it's completed. Now let's see more information about TypeScript configuration file. So TypeScript is not directly run on the browser. Before, it needs to be compiled and generated in JavaScript file using the TSC compiler. TypeScript compiler has an option of specifying configuration file, which is tsconfig.json, and you can create it using tsc-init. Let's create it. As you can see, the message stated successfully created tsconfig.json file. You can see the tsconfig.json. Now open it, and here in this configuration file you will see the various compiler options, basic options, strict type checking option, additional checks, module resolution option, etc. Now here we have some default configuration settings like target, module, strict true, which is used for type checking, yes module interrupt true, and these advanced options. So basically here we have these compiler options and the descriptions available here. You just have to uncomment it and provide the required value if necessary, and you can do the configuration setting as per your project requirement. Now what I'll do is I'll just create one folder here in my project called src, and I'll copy this test folder in src, and I'll mention this src folder as root directory in tsconfig.json. So here we have compiler option called root dir and src. Save it. Now while compilation, it will consider all the input files from this source directory. Now as we know that TypeScript files cannot directly run on the browser. Before that, it needs to be compiled and converted into JavaScript files. So when we'll compile the TypeScript file, the corresponding JavaScript file will be generated, and now I want to save that JavaScript file into the directory called out.dir. So I'll just create one more folder here called out in the project, and I'll mention it here in the out.dir. So it will save all JavaScript files in out folder. Save it. In the last video, I have created this teststructure.js file to explain about the structure of test in the test cafe. I'll just convert it to the TypeScript file because all JavaScript files are the valid TypeScript files, because TypeScript is the superset of JavaScript. So I'll just rename it. I'll give the extension TS. Okay, now it's TypeScript file. Now we'll compile this using the command tsc. And as you can see here in the out directory, another folder got created called test. The test structure.js file is saved here in this path. So this is all about the basic introduction and the setup if you want to write the test in the TypeScript. And as I said, you can do your own configuration settings here. So hence onward, I'll create the test in TypeScript. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.